Okay, guys, let's start.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Can you hear me, everyone?
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Today is day 5, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me continue from where I left. So I left at Python tuples, right?
Yes, sir.
Tuple methods, right? So today we will be continuing with tuples methods. Is everyone here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's not wait for anyone because that's very late, and we'll start. Now, let me run the cells of tuple. So I want to run this tuples. Let's work on accessing the tuple items. Accessing the tuple items. So you access the tuples. Similarly, the way you access for, right? For example, if you want to access a specific variable from this TP3, like XYZ. So what is the index of this? Let's print TP3 first. TP3. Okay. Now, what is the index of this TP3 XYZ? TP3 of 2, right? So it will print that particular variable. So this is how we access. Similarly, as we access the sequence, right? For every sequence, it might be array, it might be a string, it might be list, it might be dictionary. So any data structure or sequence of data structures, we will be using the square brackets to access, because square brackets take indexes. Now, understood everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, next
Yes,
is,
sir.
let's find out the length of tuple. That is length of TP3. When I run this, it returns me the length of the particular tuple, right? Now, tuple slicing. Tuple slicing, that is print TP 3 of from start to 4. I want everything. Right? You see that? You'll get only 35 is left out. Now, new TP and TP is equals to TP3 of 1 to everything. Right? Print and TP. When you run this, you can see that you'll get a better code. Right? Got it? So this is how you slice the tuples. Understood? Now,
sir.
let's find out the index. Index of the tuple. Index. So this method returns the index of the element. Right? So that is TP3 of dot index of 676. When I run this, it should return me the index of that particular variable, right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now next is TPR, that is next is count. So this returns the number of times of the occurrence of the item or element. That is TP underscore R dot count of what was that TP 5. So when I run this, you can see that it will throw me error because TPR is not defined. Run. Right. Now if I run this, it should give me 8. Understood, everyone? So these are the few methods that we can use with tuples. Okay, done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
let's understand the advantage of using tuple. So what is the advantage of using tuple?
Can store any data, sir, any type of data.
Can store any type of data. Then first thing, they are faster. They are faster than the list. Second one,
Immutability provides safety.
very good. They protect data. As they are immutable. Third one, they can also be used as key to dictionaries. Okay. So these are the few advantages of using a tuple. Now next data structure is dictionaries. What a dictionary, guys? What is a dictionary in general words? What's a dictionary in general words?
Definition, sir.
Definition, very good. Then
Meaning.
They are unique, sir.
they are unique, very good. Then
They are immutable also.
are you sure they are immutable?
Yes, sir.
No.
They are denoted by curly brackets.
Okay, that's pretty good. Then then
They, they can act as mappings. Sir.
they can act as mapping, very good. Then
Every key has a value.
every key has a value. Guys, let's understand simple. Now, in general words, what is a dictionary? In general words, a book that holds the meanings of a particular word, right? Specific word.
Yes, sir.
Now, whenever you're searching, they are very sorted. Okay. Now, whenever you're searching for a meaning for a word, do you search for the meaning or for the word?
Word.
Word, right? Because word is something which tells us the value of that value, right? So here it means that the word is the key and the meaning is its value. So a dictionary is something which holds the items in a key value pair relationship, right? So let's understand. A Python dictionary is an unordered a Python dictionary is an unordered collection of items which stores data in a key value pair relationship. Key value pair, right? And are enclosed within curly brackets, and items are separated by comma, and each key value pair is separated by colon, right? Syntax dict equals to k1 v1 k2 v2 so on to kn vn. Note we can use only immutable objects as keys of dictionary like strings and tuple. Okay, understood everyone?
Listen.
So let's create a empty dictionary. Let's create an empty dictionary, right? Now tickers equals to type of tickers. When you run this, it will give DICT, which is dictionary, right? Now let's create a dictionary using dict method. New dict equals to DICT. Now type of new underscore tick. When you run this, you get a type as dictionary. Understood everyone? So we can convert anything into a dictionary by when we can create a empty dictionary like this also by calling a dictionary method.
Okay, sir.
Now let's create dictionary with values. Now let's create dictionary with values, that is tickers equals to key is Goog and value is parent company alphabet inc, comma, key is Apple and value is Apple inc. Next, Microsoft MSFT and value is Microsoft Corporation. Microsoft Corporation. Right. So tickers. You can see that it has been updated. So we already created an empty dictionary, right? We already created an empty dictionary here, tickers. Now you can see we can easily update the values, right? So it's not an immutable data structure. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Understood everyone? Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now let's create a dictionary with multiple data types. With multiple data types. That is ticker equals to symbol of, that is APL, comma, price of the stock is 224.95, comma, company, that is parent company, is Apple Inc. Then we have products. Products, here I'm passing a list again. Macintosh, iPod, iPad, iPhone, and iPad. Right? Now, let's print ticker. When you run this, you can see that you get a sorted dictionary. That is company, appliance, price, products, symbols. Understood? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, moving on to next. Nested dictionary. Nested dictionary. What is nested dictionary?
Dictionary inside.
Exactly. A dictionary. A dictionary as a value to the key of a dictionary. Right?
Sir,
Yes, bro.
sir, can we use the tuples as the keys, sir?
Yes, bro, you can.
Okay, sir.
Because they are immutable, so you can use tuples as keys.
Okay, sir.
Now,
Okay.
let's create a new dictionary. Tick equals to apple. That's APL. Now, name apple inc. Price. That is 24.95. Now, next comma. Cook. Name alphabet inc and price 1194.64. So that's the price of a stock, right? Now, tick. When I run this, you can see that you'll get a dictionary within a dictionary. Okay. Now, you cannot have a same key to different values. For example, same key is the dictionary is equals to, I'll copy that, cook some value, comma, again cook, latest value. Now, when you access this, when you print this same key, when you print this same key, you can see that you will get the latest value, which is updated to the same key, not this old value, right? Understood? So it should be always a unique key.
Okay, sir.
That's why we need a immutable object. Now, accessing Next is accessing the keys, accessing the values, items. So you can access the items similarly the way by using the key of that AAPL. When you run this, it will print you the entire history of that particular thing. Right? Or else you can take it as tick of APL. Understood, everyone? Guys, are we done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Yeah, take your time. Take your time.
Done, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a small doubt.
Yes, sir.
In the above this thing, you have taken tickers. So
Yes.
here you have wrote only TICK. So how can it can access the? Okay, this.
Got
So
it, sir?
this one is different, and the above one is different, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, sir.
Now, task is I want to print all the keys in a list and values in a list. You know how to create a list, right?
Yes, sir.
So create a list of keys and values, a list of values for the dictionary.
TICK dot keys.
I don't know. Try to do that. Done, everyone? Ticker is good. Instead of tickers, we'll get ticker as good. Control C, Control V. This time value. Values. Next is print ticker key print key print val. So you can see that your keys and its corresponding values. Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
So instead of creating a list, blah, 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 and converting it to list, so what it is, I call this method, right? Which will convert the keys into a list. Now, next, updating the or updating the dictionaries or altering the dictionaries. Altering the dictionaries. Right? Now, if I want to add one more key to my specific dictionary, like I have founders, I want to add ticker of founders equals to, I'll pass on a list of the founders. That is, who are the founders of Macintosh? Because ticker is Macintosh, right? Apple's, right? Steve Jobs. Actually, double B. Steve Jobs. Then, who is the other founder? Steve Wozniak. Then, Ronald Wayne. Ronald Wayne. And print ticker. When you run this command, you can see that. Not looking good. Ticker. We'll see. Company Apple founders, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, Ronald Van, Price. Right? Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to delete a specific key. Let's delete an item from the dictionary. How do I delete it? Like I don't want to display the founders in my dictionary. So what will I do? What will I do, guys? Del ticker. I'll just run this simple one. That's it. Control C. Control V. Ticker. When I run this, you can see there will be no founders. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
assignment. Instead of typing, let me write that. Okay. Assignment, guys. Disable participant understand. Okay. Assignment. Now, work with the below methods on dictionaries. Explain with an example. Explain with an example. Right? First is items. Second is keys. Keys you know all, right? Pop. Pop. Third, copy. Fourth, clear. Fifth, update. Sixth, right? Okay, enough. Five is enough. Okay, guys, everyone, I want an explanation of all this method, what this method does with an example. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so tomorrow we'll study work on operators in Python.
Okay, sir.
Okay, So tomorrow we will be working with operators in Python. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Let me check with guys. Are you available from tomorrow 5 p.m. tomorrow?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
That we can go with 5 to 6:30,
yes,
right?
sir.
Okay, sir.
Because we are not getting ample time to all these things. So let's decide. Are we done with this noting the points?
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
Let's talk with Mallu sir. Mallu sir, you there? Malari sir. Malari sir, you there? Hello? Malari sir. Malari sir, you are not audible. Malari sir, you are not audible. No, you're still not audible to me. Sir, your voice is too much far. Now a little bit. Okay. Sir, we are planning for 5 to 6:30. Is that okay with you? Right. So tomorrow we'll schedule it from tomorrow we'll be working with 5 to 6:30, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, guys. From tomorrow we'll be having class from 5. Okay, 5 to 6:30.
sure, sir.
Okay, guys. Chalo.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Let's meet tomorrow, guys. Everyone.
sir,
Yes, boss.
sir. Yesterday you gave the assignment, sir. In
Yeah.
that, the fourth question was like using the extend method, update the list by user input, sir.
Hmm.
But the if we want to use the user input, sir,
Hmm.
how can you give the list as a user input?
Bro, how the way you created a empty list, right? And added the values to that particular by using append or something like that.
Yes, sir.
Create another list.
Create another list, sir, and then
Another list.
using the extend method, we
You
give that list.
update that previous list. That's it.
Yes, sir. But
Done.
how can we give the list as a user input, sir?
You
By
no need to give the list as a user input. You take the value from the user input, store it in a list variable list.
yes, sir.
Then using this extend method, attach
Okay.
that list to the other older list.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Got it?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, guys. Let's see you tomorrow then, 5 p.m.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
guys. Till then, have a good
can you
day.
repeat the 5 functions that you just put on the for the assignment? So it was close, update, clear, and close. What were the 5 functions? So can you just repeat?
Okay. Even I forgot what I gave. Okay. Here is first one is items.
Yes, sir.
Second one is pop. Second one is pop.
Yes, sir. Items, pop, update, clear, and sir, there was one more function which was it.
Copy.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Good night.
Yes, sir. Good night.
Good night, sir.
ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್